Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. This is NYC Syndicate boss signing in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell up top so you can get notifications when I go live playing video games or when I'm doing video updates. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is just show you something real simple, how to pretty much test your internet speed. So where I'm at right now, it's called fast.com and it's pretty much let you know your internet speed. So if you want to know how fast your internet is going, something simple like this will show you. So you click that, and then it'll let you know what your upload speed and download speed is. Download speed is like how fast, like say if you're watching like Netflix or something like that, more likely you want to, how fast it's going to download, so render in. Upload speed is like if you're trying to upload videos, upload content and stuff like that. A lot of YouTubers do that if you're trying to upload. So as you can see, this is my download speed and that's my upload speed. So it's just pretty much, there's a lot of people that have faster internet. My last internet, I guess my last internet was nowhere near this. It was like maybe 100, maybe less than that. And they said it was giving me 200 MB per second. That was optimal. Right now I'm using, I switched to Fios internet, and right now this is my upload speed. So it's way faster and cheaper too. I was paying $85. Now I'm paying $55, and now I got way better speed than what I was having. So this is pretty much like a just a vid. Like if you ever wanted to find out what your internet speed is, you just go to fast.com. It's powered by Netflix. Not sponsored by the people at all, but just if you want to go here, test your internet speed out and see how you fare out, whether you want to upgrade, downgrade, whatever the case may be. But right now I'm doing 200 MB up and download speed, and it's pretty solid. And I like it. And we just switched yesterday, so I can pretty much download like a 70 gig file in maybe like an hour, 30 minutes, so it's pretty good internet speed. So I would definitely recommend Fios. Once again, not being sponsored by either one of these people, but just giving you some heads up and pretty much what I was doing and what I went through with Cablevision. Alright, so I guess that's the end of this video. Once again, I hope you're all safe at home and protecting yourself and you're healthy and well. And yeah, so once again, this is the NYC Syndicate boss. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for tuning in. All right, peace.